Hello kids, let's start to learn alphabets. A is for apple. B is for book. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for goat. H is for hand. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. K is for king. L is for ladybug. M is for monkey. N is for nose. O is for orange. P is for pencil. Q is for queen. R is for rat. S is for sunflower. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for york. Z is for zebra. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.